Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Rosanne, and I would like to greet you. Hey! Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, 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 tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hi everyone, hi, 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 hi! Today is another opportunity for us to learn more about the April calendar. Now, we need to figure out what day and number comes after 6. We should stop counting when we reach this spot right here. Are you ready to count with me? Oh, but before we do, we need to bring out my magic back scratcher. And do you remember the magic word? Yes, the magic word is abracadabra. Do remember that you'll have to shout it out loud so that my magic back scratcher hears it and starts lengthening or getting longer. Here we go. Ready? Shout out the magic word! Abracadabra! Look how long it has gotten. Oh, this is now a great pointer so that we can point from 1 all the way down to this spot right here. Are you ready to count with me? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then comes 7. That's right. The number that comes after 6 is 7. Can we write 7 together? I think we can. We are going to do a sleeping line to the right before we do a sliding line down this way. Nicely done, my friends. Thank you for writing number 7 in the air with me. Now, after I have practiced, I think I can write number 7 on paper. Number 7 is written this way. Out, and then we slide down this way. Number 7. This is number 7. Let me place 7 in between the month of April and the year 2021. Done. These wiggling fingers will move from 7 and end up where? What could this be? It's the letter W. W says W. Can you say W? Yes, you can. I can hear you. Now, which day of the week, over here, begins with the letter W? I will give you a clue. This W is purple. And so is this card. When you sing the Days of the Week song with me in a little while, remember to stop right here and say the word out loud and as clearly as you can, okay? Okay. I'm about to sing the Days of the Week. Let's clear our throats. Me, 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 me. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We stop at the purple card, and this day is Wednesday. Let's move this sliding card down and review. Let's read what it says. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Now, let's read the date and say the day, and we are done. Here we go. Today is April 7, 2021, and the day is Wednesday. Thank you very much for joining me today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!